Hello everybody, it's me Owen, and today we are going to be making two paper airplanes. So first you'll need a square sheet of paper, and then you'll just need a rectangle sheet of paper. I think I'm going to do the rectangle since it doesn't have that much steps. First, fold it in half. The long way, not the short way. And then unfold, fold the corners to the center. Make sure you get them as perfect as you can. And remember to like and subscribe to this video. And then you'll have this, the crease down the middle. Then fold that to the center crease. This is such an easy plane, but it flies so well. Like, I'm not even kidding. Then you're gonna have this, fold the tip down to there. Now crease your sides. So they don't have those weird bubbles. Now, you fold it in half so that is on the bottom. Fold here to here. Okay, now just fold these sides up. There we go. Really, really good glider, for real. Now we come to a square sheet of paper. Fold it in half. Now fold this to the center crease. And if you don't know what I mean, just wait until you see, and then you'll see. So at first it was like this, and then all I did was folded it to the center crease. Unfold, and then fold it just like that, but this point has to land on there, and the little point also has to land on there. And if you don't know what I mean by point and point, wait and you'll see. This part's kind of hard to crease. There we go. Now see how I first it was like this, and then I just did that and folded it. Now flip it over and fold the corners to the center. Well, there is no corner, but you know what I mean. Flip it back over and fold it down all the way to the bottom. Now flip it back over, fold the sides to the center. Now, flip it back over, and then you kind of want to fold this up. Well, no, just put your fingers inside that, and then spread it out, and you just want to pull the side, and then you will get this. Now you just want to fold that down and then fold it in half so that these two little flaps are kind of loose. Fold here to here. Now you're going to have this. Fold these down. And by the way, sorry for not posting. I haven't been really following videos. It's been school time, a lot of snow here, a lot of stuff going on. Today's Valentine's Day. Well, here's the finish of the plane. And I threw that plane, and one time it went through my little crack of the door. It's a really good plane. So I hope you guys liked my paper airplanes video. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.